The intumescent version of Vexbox is a two-part system comprising of a backplate, which we have called Vexplate, and then the main Vexbox template. Vexplate has been designed to fit directly into a twin electrical accessory box and can also be easily converted to fit into a single accessory box by simply breaking off the excess at the preformed line. Whether it's a twin or single profile which is required, there is a removable corner piece which can be broken off if there is an earth terminal in the back of the box which needs accommodating. If the box in question has been installed correctly, in that there are no gaps around the outside of the box and it is flush with the surface of the plasterboard, then a Vexplate can be installed on its own without the need for a Vexbox template. The Vexplate on its own is particularly relevant where electrical accessory boxes are installed on both sides of a stud wall in the same compartment. In this situation, in order to comply with Part B of the building regulations, additional fire-stopping precautions such as Vexplate must be used. An additional benefit of the Vexbox system is that, as well as being used on new builds, Vexbox can easily be retrofitted into existing installations. This is particularly important if during periodic electrical inspections, non-compliant installations are identified. Vexbox is also ideally suited where buildings, because of their type of use, would benefit from an enhanced level of fire protection, such as schools, hospitals, hotels, student accommodation, to mention but a few. In fire situations where the problem of incorrectly installed boxes has not been addressed, boxes without the Vexbox system installed are unable to suppress the spread of fire, leading to catastrophic and even fatal consequences. Where boxes have been fitted too far back into the wall, resulting in a gap between the front of the box and the plasterboard wall, both parts of the Vexbox system need to be used. The intumescent version of Vexbox is formed in exactly the same way as the original version. However, before fitting it, it must be wrapped in fiberglass tape. This is to prevent the expanding char in a fire situation from flowing into the wall void. The fiberglass tape concentrates the expansion into the box, thereby forming a dense barrier of char to prevent the spread of fire. The best way to wrap the tape is to first of all run a length off the reel sufficient to go around the perimeter of the template, plus approximately 75mm to overlap. Hold the template against the tape and use the tops of the preformed cutout as a guide to keep it straight. Once the two ends meet, overlap the tape. Where the level of extension has been reduced, use a sharp knife to run around the top of the template and remove the excess tape. To complete the installation, first of all, fit the appropriately sized Vexplate into the back of the box. Insert the Vexbox template, which has been formed and wrapped in tape, then second fix the socket outlet in the usual manner. Vexbox, for a safer future.